is good, YouTube? It's your boy Flex here again with another video. I'm currently at work. I told you guys I'm staying on it with this daily upload, man. Today's video will be doing the coolant flush on my car, 2019 Honda Accord. Based on Honda service reminders, or intervals, service intervals, sorry. At 50,000 miles, all right, let's break it down. 20,000 miles, you change your air filters. At 30,000 miles, 40,000 miles, you do a transmission service. Unless you have 2.0, the 10-speed auto, you do that at 50K. If you have a CVT or 6-speed manual like myself, you do that at 30 to 40,000 miles. At 50,000 miles, your coolant flush. So far on my car, I've done my brake flush and my transmission service. So next is coolant flush. I need to do my fuel induction too, but I just got my injectors changed last week. I was running rich. I had a rich code. Ran the tests, function tests, and cylinders 2 and 3 failed. So fixed that. So next on the list is doing my coolant service, coolant flush. I've never had a car with low miles before until now, so I'm literally doing every service based on Honda's service intervals as I go along. So you see, guys, no, I take care of my cars. But let's get into it. I'm about to bring my car into the shop and just walk over what you do. First thing you guys want to do, make sure the car is cool if you're doing this. Before you take the radiator cap off so it doesn't blow up on you. The warning is there for a reason, but I normally just push down with a rag because when we do it at work, customers' cars are waiting, so we don't really have time to let this cool down. So I just open it with a rag like that, relieve some of the pressure, just take it off slowly. And just leave it there so I don't lose. Well, no. Put it off my box so I don't lose it. Next, get you one of these funnels like this, and just put this on. Looks like you put on a radiator cap. Alright, so now that that's on, Honda, when you come to Honda, they give you the BG additives. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I use them. So just poke a hole in that and just pour her in. Just like it. Alright, so now what you want to do is jack your car up a little bit if you're at home, or in my case I'm in the shop, so let's put it up in the air. And then that's a shop foreman. Once you get it in the air, I'm gonna show you guys where the drain cork is and take it from there. Now that the car is in the air, you want to look for the radiator drain, aka the petcock. It's right there. On all these new cars, it's gonna be black. Some of them come white, but it's gonna loosen that. It's gonna pee through that hole. So let me set up a drain pan and drain it. At this point, I realized that my hands were too big to fit in the little space that they give you to loosen the drain. So I'm just taking off my under tray right here, and it's gonna give me a little bit more space to reach up and get the cord. All right, guys, so my hands are too big to fit in there. So what I'm doing is just taking off this under tray so I can just reach up over like that and grab it. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4 speed nuts. You just use a flathead, and then 2 number 3 Phillips. Can't do this with my left hand. Apparently I'm retarded.
See you, buddy.
So, see, I was draining. Let me show you guys what I meant. So took the shield off so I can have easier access to this. Cause I have big hands, but yeah, look at that puny piping in there. Oh, that goes to the resonator. Okay. Show you guys the exhaust. Boop, boop, boop. Who asking? I don't have mufflers. What are mufflers? Alright guys, so once the coolant is fully drained, you're gonna go ahead and put the under tray back up, and then just put those 4 speed nuts back in with the 2 Phillips, and then just gonna drop the car down after that and fill it up with coolant and then burp it. You have the coolant full. You're gonna go ahead and start your car. You gotta let it get to operating temperature. I have K-tuner, so I have this. I'm at 116 degrees. Operating temperature is probably like around for my car, like 180 to 190 range. So yeah, you basically want to run it. You can hold the gas to accelerate the process of it warming up, and to the point that the radiator fan is going to kick in because it is at operating temperature. And the coolant, once the thermostat opens up, the coolant should go down in that funnel. So let me go show you guys it right now. Those air bubbles you see are just air pockets bleeding out of the cooling system. So just gonna let the car run until the fans kick on, and I know she's good. People told me, normally say let the fans turn on 3 times when you're doing this service. I won't give the car some gas for you guys. So temperature starting to rise. I'm at 147. So hold it at 25. I don't want to hold it too loud. I'm inside the shop and my car is straight pipe. You can see the temperature is gradually rising. We're at 156 now. When I'm at 4 bars is like operating temperature. 163. You just keep doing this. You can see the coolant. Just keep an eye on the coolant level, because when the thermostat opens up, it will go down. So, see, 170. This is not. It's gonna get to like probably 185. Where I normally drive around that. 'That was, I think, the 3rd time the fan kicked on, so it's good to just cork it. Either shut it off, then plunge this. You have to plunge this down in the hole to stop off everything. You need to take the cap off. And I normally put the rest of that in. Well, let's do that. Now that that's done, just I'm at 197, so that's what you just want to hose down the area where you're working, so there's no coolant, so you don't have that sweet coolant smell. So we're gonna just pulling off the lift right now. I'm gonna go hose down my overspill. Get some greaser or cleaner and just spill it through. it's okay to do this to your car as long as it's running. That will wrap up the video, guys. Hopefully that was very helpful to you guys. If anyone is working on their own cars and wanting to know how to flush your own coolant, so right on. Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Your boy Fur Flitch. We out here. Peace.